Hi everybody, my name is Kaylee and I hope you all are having a good day wherever you are. And so today I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing. I just got this today. We have snow in North Carolina, so I don't know if it got here yesterday or today, but nonetheless it's here. This is my first unboxing on film. I think I'll do this every month with Boxycharm. I don't know if I'll skip Ipsy and do it with Ipsy, but I might. But anyway, for those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. It's $21 a month. You get 5 full-size products in your box, and the box always retails for over $100, like always, so it really is worth it. And I want to say that most of these items are like high-end or not something that you can like find in the store, even if they're at a lower cost. For instance, like you won't see, well, I haven't seen like L'Oreal, Maybelline, or nothing like that, but I might see like J-Cat Beauty or something like that. But you know, if you just want to like try different kinds of makeup, try high-end makeup but can't afford it, this is a really good way to go. So I have not opened this box. I do not know what's in it. I've seen a lot of people do these on YouTube, and I've like tweeted, not tweeted, oh my gosh, I'm not thinking straight. I've actually like seen people say that this box was so good, so I'm so excited to see what's in it. I haven't gotten an Ipsy box in a while. It's been a few months now, but anyway, so I love this. We got the Hello Charmers, but anyway, let's open this. I'm like procrastinating. Okay, so let me get to the part everybody does. Sometimes I just want to open it and just get what's in it out without looking at like the whole thing. So this says Rock 2018. Yes. Okay, yeah. Rock 2018. I thought it was gonna say something interesting on the bottom, but it doesn't. But yeah. So when I open it, the first thing I see that like screams at me is this Luminizer primer by Dr. Brandt. Let's see, just apply it on clean, moisturized skin. Yeah, and it gives you like a bounce of light if you want that. You can use it in the afternoon or the morning. So this is the, like I said, Dr. Brandt Pore is No More Luminizing Primer, okay? And this retails at $38. It says the Luminizer Primer delivers a natural, radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated, flawless complexion. Okay, cool. I'm gonna have to use this. I'm glad it's a primer because I need a primer. But yeah, I'll use this. And if you want me to like use these products and like just give you an update on what I think about them, please put that in the comment box below. Okay, oh, I'm so excited at what I see. Okay, so the next is a Galactic Matte Lip Paint. Not lip paint. I've been wanting to try Galactic. One of the YouTubers that I follow, Elette, she's Catherine Light's sister. She likes the Galactic lipstick, so. Ooh, I like this color. Oh my gosh, it's like winter like, and the duochrome is, I like it. Let's see, this retails at $23. They say that it's lightweight, long wearing, non-cracking, and won't settle. For better application, do not apply a lip balm or lip primer before application. Okay, cool. I love the top here. Let me see if I can swatch it. It's kind of similar to what I have on my lips, but I'm not complaining. I like the packaging. I like the matte packaging, but this is that one right here. I like that. It's a nice fall, wintry shade. So I'm excited about that, of course. Next in here is an It Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. Okay. It's in Universal Taupe. Oh, this Galactic is in Demure. That's the shade. Okay, now back to the eyebrow pencil. This is in Universal Taupe, and it retails for $24. Okay, and it's infused with biotin, saw, palmetto, nettle, green tea, antioxidants, grapeseed, vitamins A, B5, C, and E plus. Yeah. So, interesting. I like this. It really stands out. So on one end you have your pencil. Let me see how this looks. Ooh, it's hard. Okay, this is good. No, it's not. Let me not. It would be good for something else, but this is kind of too light for me to put in my brows. I need something a little bit darker, but I mean, of course, I'll try it. I won't just count it out. It might look good. And then you have the little spoolie on this end. So cool. 3 solid products so far. 2 more to go. The 2 I'm most excited about. Yes, 2 I'm most excited about. Sorry, got distracted there. Okay, so the next one. Oh, this is a Pure Cosmetics Bronze and Brighten. What is this actually? Cheek palette. Okay. Oh, I need something to open it. And this retails at $34. So it's a cheek palette. Oh, so it has a highlighter, bronzer, and blush. Let's see what this color is looking like, though. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, my gosh. Look at that. Hope I don't blind with the mirror. Look at that. That is so pretty. Oh, my gosh. Like, I don't even want to use it because I don't want to. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my God. Look at that. Oh, my gosh. This would be, like, really good for, like, an eyeshadow. But, of course, you know, bronzer, highlight, bronzer. No, did I say bronzer? I meant blush, highlight, bronzer. That's pretty. Oh my gosh, I love that. And this retails for $34. Pretty good. Put the little thing back inside and then move on to our last product, which has to be a process of elimination. The Crown Pro Glam Metals palette. This retails for $25. Okay, cool. I like the packaging. Look. So cool. And then you just slide it out here. Get this and let me open it up. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I'm like, oh my gosh. Okay, so you have this mirror. The mirror is like a shape of a guitar, which is really cool. And then you have these colors. These colors are so pretty. They're like something anybody could wear. So you have Punk, Wild Thing, Metal, Rock On, Rebel, Heavy Metal, The Wicked, Glam Rock, Pop Rock. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'll swatch. Of course I'll swatch. I have no like I have a hard time with trying to stay disciplined. I wasn't gonna swatch and I was just gonna do it in a video, but I can't wait that long. Oh gosh, the colors are gorgeous. Look at that. You can see this gold right here. You can see it best down here, but oh my gosh, these are so pretty. I'm really this is a good start to the year for Boxycharm, especially since I have not used Boxycharm in a while. Let's see, my least favorite product, not that I won't be using it, but like least favorite is in like less wowed by, it have to be the It Cosmetics brow pencil, and that's simply because I don't even think it'll, I have to try, I'm not confident that it's even in my shade to begin with. The thing I'm most excited about, it's kind of hard, it has to be between that eyeshadow palette by Crown Pro and the Bronze and Brighten highlighter. I can't talk, it's like 1 in the morning. But yeah, I love the lipstick too, and the primer would be so beneficial because I don't have many primers. Oh my gosh, Boxycharm, you overdid it. No, you didn't. But I really enjoyed this box and this unboxing. I might stick around for a while. As I said before, the total is always over $100, so you really get your $21 worth. In this box, all of these products are over $21, so it's a good deal. I'm not good at math, but if I calculate, this is over $120. That's the quick calculation I will give because, yeah, it's too late to be counting. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you like me. If you want me to try any of these products like on camera or like test them out, I'll give you an update on the whole box or something from the box. Please let me know below. As always, thank you for watching my video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.